Unbelievable. What a steel monster. Join us on a journey of breakthroughs where the most advanced woodworking technologies and powerful chainsaws come together to demonstrate their power. Wow, the Steel MS-261C operates powerfully, its sharp chain effortlessly slicing through the massive tree trunk. In an instant, the tree is uprooted and falls, creating a stunning sight where the power of the machine perfectly blends with the incredible skill of the operator. You won't be able to take your eyes off this scene. The Mincy Muck M540 harvester from Silva Pro is harvesting timber in Valais using a specialized cable system. This machine moves effortlessly on steep terrain, showcasing top-notch performance and flawless precision in every move. Don't hesitate to leave a like if you are impressed with the power and efficiency of the Stump X. Machines like this are a testament to the perfect combination of technology and practical performance. You'll be stunned by this sight. The helicopter circles above the dense forest, lifting massive logs into the air with a sturdy cable. The aerial logging scene is truly spectacular, combining cutting-edge technology with astonishing precision. This is the true star of the construction site. The La Cruz hydraulic stump remover operates powerfully, effortlessly tearing through tough tree roots underground. With exceptional strength, the machine works quickly and precisely, making a difficult job seem easy. You can't take your eyes off this perfect coordination. The Hitachi EX215W works flawlessly with the Woody H60, creating an impressive scene on the job site. The EX215W digs steadily and deeply, while the Woody H60 quickly handles and moves the heavy logs, showcasing incredible strength and precision. Are you ready to feel the real power? The Scania are 658x4 timber truck rolls with power on dusty roads. The scene is truly chilling and grueling. The Timberjack 810B operates relentlessly in the winter forest, where thick snow covers everything. The powerful machine cuts through the freezing snow, handling heavy logs, showcasing its endurance in the harshest of environments. The Monster M300 makes everything look easy. This massive grinder operates powerfully, turning the entire forest into sawdust in just a few minutes. The machine roars, its blades spinning rapidly, creating an impressive sight full of strength and efficiency. In a challenging work environment, the Vail Products Skid Steer ASV RT120 tree saw shines with its incredible performance, easily taking down large trees in a snap. If you are also impressed with this machine, drop a like or a subscription. You are the inspiration and motivation for us to continue creating. Amid the damp winter forest, the Timberjack 810B moves silently but powerfully into the thick woods. Its wheels grip the slippery ground firmly, precisely picking up each cold, wet log. The scene is both harsh and impressive, showcasing the machine's exceptional strength. A performance between machinery and nature, truly mesmerizing. The 225E Timberjack moves silently yet powerfully, hauling heavy logs through the dense forest. The engine roars through the quiet space, its wheels rolling over the damp earth, showcasing unmatched strength and durability. More than just an ordinary machine, the John Deere 540 GI skidder plays a pivotal role in advancing the forestry industry. With a 190 horsepower engine and a weight of 23,149 pounds, the machine is specially designed to push trees efficiently, optimizing logging productivity.
So you need another skidder device? Yep. That's the only way we're going to get out is if you get that in front and pull them forward.
In the midst of the deep forest, the skidder and timber truck are stuck in a challenging situation. The tow rope is taut, wheels spinning in the muddy terrain, as both massive machines struggle to break free from this complex entanglement.
Yeah, the mud flap's still good. Those big tires coming in.
In Eastern Europe, a leading forestry equipment manufacturer has installed special machinery to produce charcoal from wood. These machines use advanced pyrolysis technology, effectively converting waste wood into high-quality charcoal. This process not only effectively recycles wood waste, but also provides a clean and sustainable fuel source for the region. The Hackey-Pilk Easy 50 HD's superior, fast and precise wood cutting performance will amaze you. With a 37 horsepower motor and a weight of only 2,645 pounds, this machine is both powerful and extremely versatile, suitable for any use. If you are a business owner in the timber industry, do not miss this powerful machine. Equipped with a 300 horsepower engine and weighing 26,455 pounds. With outstanding performance, the K700 is the ideal solution for forestry projects, helping to optimize efficiency and save significant working time. Unbelievable to witness this scene. The homemade chainsaw operates powerfully, with each precise cut shaping perfect pieces of wood. Inside the sawmill, the machines work in harmony, transforming raw logs into refined, impressive products. Founded in 1973, Transport Forestier Michel Morin is a family-owned business providing timber transport services in France. Thanks to its team of professional drivers and modern equipment, the company ensures efficient and safe timber transport, such as the way timber is transported. The modern Ustuncarly industrial wood sawing system is optimally designed to process multiple logs at the same time with outstanding precision, which cannot be ignored. The machine is equipped with an automatic conveyor to transport the logs to the cutting position, combined with a chainsaw or a circular saw to cut the wood into uniform panels or blocks, meeting all production needs.
I was hoping Dave was going to be using this thing to load today.
Clearing is setting a new standard for forestry productivity, with dense, heavy trees measuring up to 70 centimeters in diameter and over 20 m in height becoming a challenge. Cutting them down requires precision, and the power of a 200 horsepower excavator is incredible when lifting large logs weighing up to 1 ton onto trailers for transport to the mill. Combined with a conveyor system and sharp blades, it quickly grinds wood into fine chips, which are then directed into a container through a flexible discharge tube. The combination of power, speed, and durability effectively meets the demands of large-scale wood processing projects. Have you ever seen a machine as powerful as Wallenstein FX85? Leave a like, it will surprise you. The custom-built stump splitter by Sunrise Excavating is a sight to behold. Not only is it convenient for one operator, but it also creates an incredible process, turning excess stumps from land developers into renewable energy for a cogeneration plant. The Zilog 800 is an indispensable professional woodworking machine, specially designed for large-scale firewood production. With a powerful 350 horsepower engine, the machine is equipped with a precision saw blade, allowing it to cut and split tree trunks into uniform logs of the required size, ensuring high performance and superior quality in every operation.